Yo, 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 what's good, you guys? It's your boy So Amazing, and I'm back with another banger. This is gonna be a video on how to use the stand for the PS5. You guys may think that this is common knowledge, but honestly, there's a little trick to it. Especially if you want to have it standing up like this, and you want to use the stand, it's a little trick to it. So we're gonna start off with the horizontal. When you first get the stand, it's gonna be like this to the side. If you don't know, you could turn it like that. That's for vertical right here. And then if you want to put it back, you just spin it around again. Like this. And it'll look like that. So if you want your PS5 to be horizontal, you want to look for these little notches right here. Let's see if it'll focus. Jesus. You see the X, triangle, circle, and all the shapes and shit, like from where you get the remote, from what's the buttons on the remote, I mean. You want to put these two latches in between the squares. So the square there, and the square at the end. The square's in the middle too, but I'm talking about the two at the end, obviously. So you're gonna go ahead. Let's see, you see the two squares? See how I got it lined up right there? And you just wanna clip it in like that. So it's gonna end up looking like this, nice and snug. As you can see, the stand right there keeps it straight. Because if you have it normal, it's gonna be like kind of slanted because the way the console is shaped. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it vertical. So when you wanna have your PS5 standing vertical straight up, you're gonna wanna go ahead and spin it so it's like that. Now here's the tricky part. On the back, it's a little like circle thing there. So you want to go ahead and remove that little circle with your nail if possible. And then you see it right there. You want to plug this little thing in here. There, you see how it's snug? Now it's not going to turn or nothing, you see? That's basically the lock for the stand. After you have your stand secure, you want to put it on the side that it's supposed to go. You want to go ahead, secure your PS5. So after you secure your PS5 on the stand, you want to take that nail that you took out at first and screw it into the bottom right here. If you have this flathead, or you could do it even with a penny. Right now I'm doing it with my hand or my finger because it's still kind of loose. Once it gets tightened up, well, it looks like it's actually tightening up. We'll go ahead and use this, whatever. There we go, we got it nice and tight. So this is what the powder looks at the end. How the P5 look vertical right there. It's nice and secure, it has the screw in. So you're ready to go. You already know, it's your boy So Amazing, and I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, and leave your feedback. Get ready to see this baby in action on the channel too. Deuces.